Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Life with Vivian, and in case you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you. And so guys, today as you can see, we are in the kitchen, and to the kitchen, you already know what you're going to do today. Of course, you're going to cook. We're going to cook supper. Actually ni usiku, almost 9, yeah. We're going to prepare supper, and today we're going to prepare ugali meat and Sukuma or Kales. I don't know, Kales or something, greens. Yeah, you all know Sukuma. So that's what we're going to cook today. And before we start, kindly make sure you like this video, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Yeah, so I'm going to show you what we have in the kitchen. Yeah, what you're going to use, everything that you're going to use. So stay tuned, keep liking this video and commenting and subscribing and sharing. So I'm going to start with the stew, and I have my already washed meat here. And I have the ingredients here. I like the natural spices. I have 2 tomatoes here. I have green capsicum. I have 2 cloves of garlic. I have ginger, a small piece of ginger, and I have 2 onions. Yeah, I'm starting with these. So the ugali and the Sukuma, you also see that.
See you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. If I can lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I would. I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside.
Tumemaliza kupika, we're done with the cooking, and this is the outcome. Look at that. It looks yummy and it's yummy. Nishaonja. It's yummy guys, I can't wait to dig in. Nenda kumaliza hii food yote. I have no words. Guys, bye, good night. Let me eat.